How to diagnose and repair Windows problems. Diagnosing and repairing Windows problems can seem like a daunting task, but there are several tools and techniques you can use to make the process easier. Here are some steps you can take to diagnose and repair Windows problems. 1. Identify the problem. The first step in diagnosing a Windows problem is to identify the issue you are experiencing. Make note of any error messages or symptoms you are experiencing and try to determine the root cause of the problem. 2. Use Windows Event Viewer. The Windows Event Viewer is a useful tool for diagnosing Windows problems. It allows you to view system, application, and security events and can help you identify the cause of errors and crashes. To access the Event Viewer, open the Start menu, type Event Viewer, and select the Event Viewer app. 3. Use System File Checker, SFC, and Deployment Image Servicing and Management, DISM. The SFC and DISM tools are built into Windows and can help repair system files and fix issues with Windows updates. To use these tools, open the command prompt as an administrator and type sfc/scanO to run SFC, and dism/online/cleanup/image/restore health to run DISM. 4. Use Windows Troubleshooter. The Windows Troubleshooter is a built-in tool that can help diagnose and fix common Windows problems. To access the Troubleshooter, open the Start menu, type Troubleshoot, and select Troubleshoot Settings. 5. Use System Restore. If you are experiencing issues with Windows after installing a new program or driver, you can use System Restore to revert your system to a previous state. To access System Restore, open the Start menu, type System Restore, and select Create a Restore Point. 6. Check for malware. Malware can cause a variety of issues with Windows. Make sure you have a reputable antivirus program installed and perform a full system scan. For starters, try using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 7. Update drivers and software. Make sure you have the latest drivers and software installed for your hardware and applications. You can often find updates on the manufacturer's website. For starters, try using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. By following these steps, you can diagnose and repair many common Windows problems. If you are still experiencing issues, you may need to seek assistance from a professional or contact the manufacturer of your hardware or software. And, here are several diagnostic tools built into Windows that you can use to troubleshoot and diagnose problems. 1. Event Viewer. The Event Viewer is a tool that logs system, application, and security events on your computer. You can use it to track down the source of errors or issues with your computer. 2. System File Checker, SFC. SFC is a built-in tool that scans your system files and repairs any issues that it finds. To run SFC, open a command prompt as an administrator and type sfc/scanO and press enter. 4. Disk Cleanup. Disk Cleanup is a tool that can free up disk space by removing temporary files, old system files, and other unnecessary files. To run Disk Cleanup, right-click on the drive you want to clean up and select Properties, then click the Disk Cleanup button. 5. Task Manager. Task Manager is a tool that shows you the programs and processes currently running on your computer. You can use it to monitor system performance, close unresponsive programs, and see which programs are using the most resources. 6. Resource Monitor. Resource Monitor is a more advanced tool than Task Manager that shows you detailed information about system performance, including CPU, memory, disk, and network usage. To open Resource Monitor, open Task Manager, click the Performance tab, and then click the Open Resource Monitor link. 7. Device Manager. Device Manager is a tool that shows you the hardware devices installed on your computer and their status. You can use it to update drivers, disable or enable devices, and troubleshoot hardware issues. These are just a few of the diagnostic tools built into Windows. There are also third-party diagnostic tools that you can use, such as CPUZ, HW Monitor, and Crystal Disk Info. Here are some reputable sources for troubleshooting Windows problems. Microsoft Support. Microsoft offers a wealth of resources for troubleshooting Windows problems, including documentation, forums, and a virtual assistant. You can access Microsoft Support at https://support.microsoft.com. Windows Central. Windows Central is a popular online publication that covers news, reviews, and how-to guides for Windows. They offer a variety of troubleshooting guides for Windows, including common errors and issues. How to Geek. How to Geek is another popular online publication that covers technology topics. They offer a variety of troubleshooting guides for Windows, including hardware and software issues. TechNet. TechNet is a Microsoft resource that offers documentation, forums, and downloads for IT professionals. They offer a variety of troubleshooting guides for Windows, including networking and security issues. Reddit. Reddit is a popular online community with a dedicated Windows subreddit. Users often share their experiences and troubleshooting tips for Windows problems. These sources can help you diagnose and troubleshoot a variety of Windows problems. As always, be cautious when downloading software or following advice online, and make sure you are using reputable sources.